Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to generate the gitignore files, which is specially used inside git bash for your coding projects inside VS Code. So if you go to extensions, this is actually the extension dot gitignore generator. If you just type this in the search bar, the very first extension which comes right here, it's developed by this person. It's almost having 287,000 downloads. So it generates this gitignore file automatically. So you simply click the install button to install this extension. So once the extension is installed, it will be enabled globally. And now it's very easy to generate the gitignore files. Simply open your command palette by the shortcut key Control Shift P and just write here generate gitignore file, and you will actually see this option appearing right here, and simply select this option. After selecting this option, by default it will be Windows will be selected because you are generating on a Windows machine. If your machine is different, you can untoggle this option, and Visual Studio is also selected. You can even open command palette by going to view and open command palette, and once you select this option generate gitignore file, and here you can select from a various programming languages you will see inside the drop down. So if you're developing it for Node.js, you simply select Node here and simply select this Node option. So just select your programming language in which project you are working and simply click OK. And as soon as you click OK, you will see it will generate this gitignore file automatically for you inside the root directory. And this gitignore file is very much necessary for git bash to actually tell which files to ignore. So you will see it has created this file automatically. So this will save you a lot of time. Simply install this extension and activate this. After activating it, you can generate gitignore files of any language. So it supports all these languages. You will see in the drop down here, all the languages are there. So if you're developing for a specific project here, Laravel, you will see Laravel is also there. And then automatically it will create this gitignore file. So in this easy way, you can create this, simply install this extension. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.